So this is what the box looks like. It's very plain, and oops, let's put this right here. And it says Lekato Podcasting Interface LP1, and of course it's made in China. Anything else on the outside? Oh, we have these things here. And let me move my glasses. We have this, all of this stuff. Is it really important? Not to me. Okay, here's the bottom. So we're just gonna open this up. Let me put this on the tripod so I can use both of my hands. Okay, let's do that. I do want to mention that this is the interface, the audio interface that I'm going to be using to connect my keyboard where I have written and saved music to my computer. This goes in between. That's what the audio interface is doing for me. I can also record my voice and other things to also go into my computer. Now, let's open up the box here. See, it opens from the side here. I already cut the plastic that goes here. And open this here. I'm going to turn this sideways. And what do we have? Here we have, and I'm just going to lift this, okay? Because I don't want to go too long into this. Oh, we have the cables. These are the cables that connect the audio interface to the computer. Here's one, and as you can see, it's a USB-C, if you can unsee that. And then a USB. And here is USB-C, and this is the end that goes into an iPad. I don't know if you can see that also. Okay, and then we have two more cables. I actually wasn't expecting this. USB-C to USB-C. See that? Okay, these two here. And then we have, what's in this one? Oh, so we have an aux cable, auxiliary cable, and these are both stereo, okay? So we have those. Let me put those off to the side here. Before I open this up, let's look and see what's in this. We have the manual, okay, and it's in, wait a minute, I think it's in German here. Oh, all right, I'll tell you, we live in, Zurich, Switzerland, and I ordered this off of Amazon DE. Amazon DE. And I'll give you the price and everything. I'll put the connection, I'll put the URL in the description. So this is pretty much in, wait a minute, this is in English. So this is good. And then they give you the charging station that plugs into the wall, charging brick. All right, and why? Why do they have this? Because this audio interface has a battery, and the battery needs to be charged. So here we have a cloth case here. It's kind of big, so it looks like inside. It's kind of nice. I didn't expect that. Guess I should have done more research on what's in the pack. Let me move this out of the way, okay? And I'm going to just kind of rip this. Sorry, I'm ripping it. If I need to send it back for any reason, I can put another bag around it, This is the way I do Christmas presents too. I just rip it off and then, okay, so here we are. And this is what it looks like. So we have the headphone volume, we have effects, we have the volume for the input one. I'm going to show you the inputs. And this is on this side. This is for microphone. You see at the top here. So my keyboard, I will plug into this one. And if I have a microphone, I'll plug into this one here. I don't know if you can see that. And so this is what it looks like. Now, how heavy is it? It feels solid, you know. Here's the on and off, of course. Here is where we connect to. This is the DC in. So we're gonna actually charge it this way. And then here we're going to connect with the computer, with of course these cables here, because this is the USB-C, and then this goes into your computer, maybe a PC jack you have that's USB like that, or you could just, since I have my Mac, I'll connect directly. Let's see if that works. If it's not, I'll use, a dongle. All right. So anyway, here's a headphone jack, so I can listen while I'm recording. And these are this is an auxiliary in, and I'm not really concerned about these. And you guys know about those if you're like a real good audio person. Here's the back, okay. Mic and the guitar. These are the inputs. These are outputs here. Out, headphones, out to the computer, all of that. And then here are the inputs. And so you can put in a microphone here, XLR cable, and then here's your 48 volt phantom power, and then of course here's the guitar, or I'm going to use that as a keyboard, and this is the input for that. So I am going to have to do another video on how well this thing works, because what I have to do right now, I have to really kind of charge it up and then connect it, and then I'll do a follow-up video on that. But that's what it looks like. This is what you get in the box. I'm showing you the sides here, the outputs here, and the on button here. These are the effects and volume knobs for the inputs and for the headphones. I like that in the middle like that. Oh, what does it feel like? These knobs, well, they're cushioned. Yeah, this is good. They're cushioned, so they're kind of stiff, which is good, because then you can get really precise. Then you can get very precise. Wow, look at that. All right, so there we have it. What do we call this thing? Let me get this thing again here. Lekato LP1 Podcasting Interface. And that's going to do it for today. This is just an unboxing. That's not anything about the function, really, or how it is working. All right? Thank you, everyone. If you'd like to subscribe, of course, please subscribe. If you'd like to hit the thumbs up button, go ahead and do that. If you'd like to hit the bell button, go ahead and do that. That's up to you if you wish. But more importantly, please comment. Okay? Thank you, everyone.